Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change digital output of audio to PCM or bypass. To change the digital audio output mode on XIAOMI Smart L1 projector, click on the Settings button on your remote. Now go to All Settings and then go to Display and Sound. Then go all the way down to Audio Output and you can change digital output to bypass or PCM or auto. You can also change the digital output delay. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.